10 years ago, Estonia joined NATO. Since then, the leaders of this great country have taken their obligation to NATO seriously, modernizing their military even in hard economic times, dedicating Estonia expertise to the NATO response force. Estonia is a small country, but as they say in boxing, Estonia fights above its weight class. We are honored to be invited to this great country to serve and train with these great soldiers. And we're proud to demonstrate our resolve and our commitment to Estonia and to the NATO alliance. Know that today, Estonia, you are not alone on the frontier of NATO's borders. The entire alliance stands with you.
I think what makes our company unique is we're an airborne infantry company, and we also have a great legacy to where we've had excellent leaders and excellent soldiers that have served in the company in the past. As a matter of fact, this month, Sergeant Kyle White, who used to serve in our company, is receiving the Congressional Medal of Honor. So it's the legacy like that that we strive to live up to, and that makes us an exceptional company. From what I understand, we will be participating in Spring Storm. I believe that the unit that we will help support in Estonia has a company deployed right now, and we will kind of fall in to where that company normally serves. And our expectations are to learn from the Estonian military and hopefully teach them some things we've learned, and to help our partnership so that we can train together and work together better in the future. So I think Estonia is beautiful. You know, just having landed and been on the airfield, weather's great, very pretty the ride in. We were looking out the windows, and a beautiful country, and we're really excited to get to know a little bit more about it and to meet more Estonians.